In today's video, I am going to teach you how to go to section based on answer. This feature is used when you want a form to send people to different sections depending on what they select. It is especially helpful for forms that need simple branching, like routing someone to the right set of follow-up questions or letting certain answers finish the form early. To begin, find the question you want to use as your trigger. This must be a multiple choice or a drop-down question, since those question types use defined answer options that can control where someone goes next. Click directly on that question, so it is selected and you can see its settings. Once the question is selected, look at the bottom right corner of the question box. You will see a menu icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open more options for that question. In the menu that appears, select the option called Go to Section based on answer. As soon as you choose it, the form will show additional controls next to your answer choices. Specifically, a drop-down menu will appear beside each available answer option, so you can decide what should happen when someone chooses that answer. Now go through each answer choice one at a time. Click the drop-down next to an answer and choose the destination for that user. If you choose Go to Section, the respondent will be sent to a specific section of your form. This is how you direct different people to different pages or groups of questions. If an answer should end the process early, choose Submit Form. That setting will immediately submit the form for the respondent after they select that option, which is useful when a person does not need to complete the remaining sections. If you want the form to behave normally for an answer, select Continue to Next Section. This is the default behavior, and it means the person will simply move forward through the form in order. Take a moment to confirm that each answer has the correct action assigned, especially if you have many choices. Once everything is set, your form will guide respondents to the right section based on the answer they pick. That covers everything you need to know.